Implicit bias is a bias that every one of us has, that we're unaware of, that we hold in our subconscious and act on and project without being aware. It's important because this affects our criminal justice system. It affects how our judges act on the bench. It affects how jurors make decisions. And it affects how we represent our clients, whether a prosecutor or a defense lawyer. It's been exposed through studies by various universities, most notably Harvard, and you can take studies online, tests online, to evaluate your own implicit bias. The results are remarkable and important, and I encourage you to take these tests because the first thing that we've learned about implicit bias is once you become consciously aware of your implicit biases, you also eliminate them. And that's why the American Bar Association Criminal Justice Section, in conjunction with our section on litigation and the Judicial Division, have undertaken a project to provide awareness, training, and tools to eliminate implicit bias in our courtroom. This year, Jim and I were invited to join with the Judicial Division to undertake a very exciting project. That is that Judge Waxy, who's chair of the division, identified a problem that state judges do not have resources to address forensic problems. He noted that state judges across the nation may not even be aware of how to identify when they have a forensic science or forensic evidence issue for which they need to employ gatekeeping measures. He noted that federal judges have a judicial training branch and resources and training materials. And so the Judicial Division, along with the Criminal Justice Section, are joining together to present a hearing at mid-year meeting to identify these issues. We're joining together to propose resolutions and reports to implement across the nation the creation of a resource to help judges, state judges, identify forensic issues and to teach them how to perform their gatekeeping function, identify and resolve all of those forensic issues. This joint project will then culminate in a symposium in which all of the information gathered to advise about the creation of this wonderful resource will be compiled and published. So we're very excited to join the Judicial Division in this important work this year.